Most modern gadgets try way too hard to screen for your attention with bright lights and bulky frames. You know that feeling when you strap a heavy piece of glass to your arm and it feels like a constant weight. It is distracting. It is clunky. But this newest circular watch takes a completely different path. It leans into a legacy that started years ago with a brand people absolutely adored for its simplicity. Those early fans were obsessed with durability and ease of use. This new version captures that same magic perfectly. When I opened the box, I was struck by how much it actually looks like a traditional timepiece. It does not look like a tech experiment. It has this clean, classic face that blends in with a suit or a t-shirt. That matters more than we like to admit. You are wearing this every single day. It should look good. It should feel like a part of your style. The band is incredibly soft. It sits against the skin without any of that annoying friction you get from cheaper silicone. It is light. It is thin. You put it on and within minutes you honestly forget it is even there. That is the gold standard for any wearable device. If you are constantly aware of the weight on your wrist, the device has failed. This one succeeds by disappearing. The screen is sharp and stays readable even when the sun is hitting it directly. Notifications arrive in a way that feels natural. They follow the curve of the round face instead of being crammed into a square box. Now, if you are a data junkie, you might hit a wall here. This is not a medical device. You get your step counts and your sleep logs. It handles the basics with total reliability. But you won't find deep stress metrics or complex heart rate zones. It does not try to be a doctor. It does not try to be a high-performance coach. Instead, it offers a refreshing break from the noise. Most smartwatches are basically tiny smartphones strapped to your arm. They beep, and they buzz, and they die by the end of the day. This watch is different. It stays powered up for days on end. You can go on a weekend trip and leave the charger at home. That kind of freedom is worth more than 100 fancy apps you will never actually use. It is a legit choice for anyone who wants a clean experience. It is elegant and simple. It gets the fundamentals exactly right. If you want cutting-edge health sensors, look elsewhere. But if you want a reliable, stylish companion that respects your time and your battery life, this is a fantastic return to form. It feels like a piece of jewelry that just happens to be smart. It is a classic for a reason. It focuses on the human experience of wearing a watch. It is about comfort. It is about style. It is about a battery that actually lasts. That is a winning combination in my book. It reminds us that tech should be helpful, but also invisible. We do not need more screens fighting for our focus. We need tools that work when we need them and stay quiet when we do not. This watch gets that balance right. It avoids the clutter of modern software. It sticks to what it knows. It is a breath of fresh air. No more daily charging anxiety. No more bulky squares. Just a simple circle that tells you what you need to know. It is refreshing. It is smart. It is exactly what a watch should be. It delivers a comfortable, elegant design that feels right. It is legitimate in every sense of the word.